welcome to day 249 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this Clover mesh stitch. So this is a basic mesh stitch with an uneven mesh, and I've just added these clover flowers on top of it. Okay, to start off, you need to make a foundation row which is a multiple of 10 plus 8. Okay, so I have 38 stitches. Now into the double triple, you're going to do a double triple crochet onto the 11th chain from your hook. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, this counts as a one. We have skipped 2 chains here and we have added 2 chains to the top and 1 double triple crochet. So again, chain 2, skip 2 and make 1 double triple crochet. Okay, do it one more time. So you should have a total of 3 spaces. So yarn over thrice, skip 2 and make 1 double triple crochet. Okay, so once you're done with that, you have to crochet 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Skip 8 chains at the bottom. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and again continue the same thing. Okay, chain 2 and make a double triple crochet. Skip 2, you have to do this till the end of your work. Okay, okay, now you're going to chain chain 5, which counts as 1 double crochet, and chain 2 and make 1 double crochet on top of this stitch. So again, chain 2, make one double crochet on top of this stitch. So basically you're topping up the stitch with a double crochet mesh. So you can change the stitch to a triple crochet, or you can do it into a single crochet. That depends on how big you want these holes to be. So again chain 8 and do the same thing. Make one double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet. You have to do this till the end of the work, and once you reach the last stitch, you have to skip 2 chains and make your double crochet. 1 2 into the last one, make your double crochet. Okay, so you're again going to repeat the same thing again. Chain 3, turn your work, make one double crochet into chain 5, turn your work, make one double crochet into each of the double crochet and separate it with a chain 2. Okay. Okay. You're going to again start with chain 5 and make one double crochet on top of this double crochet. So now this is where we are going to start making our flower. Now once you're done this particular stitch where you chain 5 and make one double crochet, we are going to again chain 5. Okay, and we're going to slip stitch into the base of the stitch. So here we have something like a loop. Okay, now you are again going to make one slip stitch onto this part here. So basically we are going to place 4 petals over here. So one here, yeah. So this is the center square where we'll be placing the petals on all 4 sides. So one petal here, one here and one over here, which we'll do at last. So go into this stitch and make a slip stitch, chain 3, and you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches onto the post. Okay, so which would look something like this. Okay, around that post. So again chain 3, make a slip stitch onto the post. Now move on to the bottom part of the square, which is right here. Again make one slip stitch and make 3 chains. Repeat the same thing. again chain 3, make 1 slip stitch, again go into this space, make 1 slip stitch. We are at the third part of the square. Okay, again chain 3, make 3 double crochets, chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Okay, now we are back at the top of the square. Okay, so this is the chain 5 that we did. We are going to again crochet on this base right here. Okay, so chain 3, make the petal, again chain 3 and slip stitch at the base. So now we have the flower. We have to get back to our mesh stitch. To do that, so we did the chain 5 at the start of the petal thing, right? So you just insert into one of those chains and make a slip stitch. So you do that continuously for the next 3 stitches, which will lead you to the top of your work. Now the chain 5 we made counts as 2 chains and 1 double crochet. So we climbed up with these 3 slip stitches and we are back at the top. Now you again chain 2, go into the next double crochet and make 1 double crochet. Okay, so now we have the petal at the middle square, which is right here. So for example, here we have the interlaced pattern, right? So we are doing this flower into this square right here. So we start off by making a chain 3 and then make the petal on, so this is the middle square. On all 4 sides of this square we are making this flower. Okay, now we are again back at the pattern where we chain 8 and make 1 double crochet. Again chain 2, make another double crochet. Okay, now before you do this double crochet, we are again doing the chain 5. We are again placing another flower here. Make a slip stitch. Now make another slip stitch around this post. Now go into this bottom part of the square and make a slip stitch, chain 3 and make the petal. Once you are done that, start with the slip stitch to reach at the top of the work. Chain 2 and complete your row. Okay. Okay, so now this is the pattern repeat. You just start from row 1 again and continue making your stitches. So when you have, so in this case, in the swatch that I've made, I can only top up my flowers, but if you have more number of stitches, you will end up with the pattern which is looking like this. Okay, where you'll be able to interlace these flowers like what I've done here. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can reach out in the comment section or DM us directly on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.